Good afternoon and welcome to Steel Hill's Drink of the Month for September. The drink is going to be an Absolut Cosmo. We're trying to get in the spirit of the foliage and giving you a reddish drink to go with the leaves. So we're going to do a couple ounces of our Absolut Citron, about a half ounce of triple sec, a squeeze of fresh lime, and then just a little splash of cranberry juice. And then we're going to give that a good old shake. Get a strainer and pour into a nice chilled martini glass. And then garnish that with an orange. And there is the drink of the month for September.